Okay, I just wanted to quickly look at Bitcoin as well today, 16 April, because it's completely changed the structure that it was supposed to play out. Originally, we wanting for one, a two, and this length here of one must be shorter than wave three, which is up here somewhere, and then a four, and then a five. So that was the plan. Unfortunately, it did not break past 65, which means leg 3 is actually slightly shorter than leg 1, so that's invalid for Elliott wave count. So that invalidates the whole 5-wave move. So what's actually happening now is three-wave correct, well, in three-wave structures. So we do have our A, B, C structure, and we're going to have another three-wave down to about here. And this is the buy zone again at 59,000. Okay, 58,000 is the support, and from there we should have another 3 or 5 waves to the upside. So for now, we got that move. Unfortunately, it wasn't impulsive all the way past that 65. I wanted 68, didn't get to 68. So now we're doing a correction, and from there we're looking at another move up. And then once it gets to this equal legs here, and my target is at 68,000. 68,000 exactly. Okay. So once it reaches there, I am definitely closing all my Bitcoin open trades. So I'm going to just put blue box there. So we're all aware of 68, 70 zone. Okay, so that's when I'll be getting out. Thanks.